Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are returning, thanks a lot, and for those who are now tuning in for the first time, try subscribing for me. Today I will try to fix my wobbly toilet seat. See how it wobbles? I'm sure everyone has this problem. The reason is it's all made of plastic. We will fix the wobble in the toilet seat. The first thing we have to do is to lift the cover up. Just lift the cover on both sides. When you lift the cover, you'll notice that there's a screw here. Just get your screwdriver and turn it. But to turn it, you'd have to hold the knob at the bottom and just turn to open, because we're taking the entire knob off. It will take a long time screwing because the screw is really long. Here you can see the screw coming up. You have to keep turning until it comes all the way out. Here it's finally out. See how long it is? And then we have the plastic cap that screws on at the bottom. Now the reason it's not holding is because this is plastic on plastic. So we need to make something that would grip onto it. What I'm using today is my plumber's tape. I had it lying around in the house. I'm sure a lot of you homeowners would have this lying around. If not, it's sold in the hardware store. So what we're really doing is we're going to wrap it around the threads so that it has enough grip to hold on to this plastic screw that goes in at the bottom. So we will wrap it. Just wrap it around. See, you can still see the grooves, but it's just so that the other plastic can have something that is not plastic to hold on to. So you wrap the tape around. You don't have to go all the way to the end, because it's just a little piece that hooks in here with the screw. So once you've wrapped a good amount on it, take it off, and now here we have it all wrapped. We put it back in the hole, and then we tighten back with this. Again, this is going to take a while. I'm not going to have you watch the entire video, but you just screw it until it hooks tightly. One more thing you need to know when you're screwing the bottom. There's two sides. This one here, it's smooth on the top start, and this one has the grooves. Make sure you put it with the groove up, because you need to catch the screw and to keep it tight. If you start here, that's why you get the looseness, because there's nothing on this part to keep the screw. So make sure that you put it on the sides with the groove. So here I start with it up, and you screw it in from there. Okay, you can begin without the screwdriver. It's easy. And then you finish off with the screwdriver once it gets closer to the top. I just wanted you to know that when you're rescrewing it, when you get to the part where you've added the tape, it will start to get tighter. Just keep screwing. So once you're done and the screw's all tight, see, if you shake, this does not move. You just clip, press the clip back down, and there you have a very solid toilet. This will never ever shake again, because the plastic clip now has something to hold on to. Give it a try on your shaky toilet seat, and you can let me know the outcome. Thanks for watching. Please remember to share with your friends and anyone that has issues with their toilet seats. And please give me a big thumbs up. Remember to hit the subscribe button. And don't be afraid to check out my other videos on my channel. Thanks again for dropping by. See you in my next video. Goodbye.